mistake.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Getting a good quality webcam right now is a little bit challenging. Everyone seems to be sold out of new HD webcams, and even if someone does have it in stock, it's going to take forever to ship. But I just found a great solution if you have an old cell phone lying around. Now, I had been using a webcam that was probably 7 or 8 years old, and the video quality really wasn't that great. I was not impressed with it. But I had my previous cell phone before I had upgraded to my new one sitting in the closet, and I found an app that will allow you to use an old smartphone or a current smartphone as a webcam. And I found 2 apps for iPhone users and Android users and Mac users and PC users. So let's take a look at these apps. I went with Droid Cam Wireless only because that was the first one that I found. And essentially what you do is you install the Droid Cam Wireless app on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. And once you install that on your phone, you need to download the desktop client. Now, Droid Cam only works for Windows. If you are a Mac user, we have an alternative called Irium, that will have a Mac-compatible desktop client so that you can use your old smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, with your Mac. So basically, you install the app on your phone, you install the desktop client on your computer simply by downloading it and opening it, and once you plug in your phone, the app will recognize your phone, and your computer will think that your phone is a regular old webcam. So if you're using Google Meet or Zoom or OBS for live streaming or whatever you use for video conferencing, all you would need to do is select you would select either Irium or the Droid Cam Wireless app when you select your camera, and your phone would function as a normal webcam. Now this is great because smartphone cameras are very, very good quality, and I am very impressed with the switch from my old webcam now to my previous smartphone, and my smartphone is a few years old, and it's definitely better quality than my old webcam. So if you're having a hard time finding a good HD webcam, see if you have an old phone lying around and try one of these apps, because so far I'm finding this to be excellent. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, hit that subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate it. We release new tech tips every weekday at noon, as well as 2 live stream project sessions every weekday at 10 and 2. And check out the DAE.com for our full list of online workshops and private lessons. And if you try out Irium and it works well for you, or it doesn't work well for you, leave it in the comments, because I haven't had a chance to try out Irium. I've only used the Droid Cam app, so I'd love to know your thoughts. If you try either one out, leave a comment. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me create in the future, also leave it in a comment and I'll do my best. Thanks so much for tuning in.